What type of climate is associated with Jaisalmer? A. Temperate. B. Highest rainfall. C. Dry. D. Lowest rainfall. The correct answer is D. Lowest rainfall. Who is an integral part of the state legislature? A. The Chief Minister. B. The Governor. C. The Prime Minister. D. The Speaker. The correct answer is B. The Governor. What body set up the National Commission to review the working of the Constitution? A. A resolution of the Government of India. B. The President of India. C. The Supreme Court. D. The Parliament. The correct answer is A. A resolution of the Government of India. Who became the first citizen of India after Independence Day? A. The President. B. The Chief Justice. C. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha. D. The Prime Minister. The correct answer is A. The President. What is the primary responsibility of the Election Commission of India? A. Administering elections. B. Formulating national policy. C. Appointing government officials. D. Managing economic development. The correct answer is A. Administering elections. How many members are nominated by the President to the Lok Sabha? A. 2. B. 12. C. 27. D. 238. The correct answer is A. 2. What is the primary meaning of equality, according to Professor Lasky? A. Absence of social privilege. B. Sameness of reward. C. Identity of treatment. D. Presence of social hierarchy. The correct answer is A. Absence of social privilege. Which country did Sukarno represent as a founding father of NAM? A. Yugoslavia. B. Egypt. C. India. D. Indonesia. The correct answer is D. Indonesia. Who is listed as a BT assistant at GHSS, Kattur, the Nilgiris? A. N. Devarajan. B. Sujata M. BT. C. S. Gyana Dhinkaraj. D. Joy Christie N. The correct answer is B. Sujata M. BT. What government body is currently housed in 4th Street? George? A. Parliament of India. B. Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly. C. Reserve Bank of India. D. Supreme Court of India. The correct answer is B. Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly. What are people involved in farming and grazing called? A. Craftsmen. B. Nomads. C. Cultivators. D. Merchants. The correct answer is C. Cultivators. Which term is defined as a market structure where a single producer or seller has control over the entire market? A. Perfect competition. B. Monopolistic competition. C. Monopoly. D. Oligopoly. The correct answer is C. Monopoly. Which agreement was signed by India and China in 1954? A. Tashkent Agreement. B. Shimla Agreement. C. Panchsheel Agreement. D. Lahore Declaration. The correct answer is C. Panchsheel Agreement. Which body's members are directly elected by the people, as mentioned in the text? A. Panchayat Union. B. District Panchayat. C. State Assembly. D. Village Headman. The correct answer is A. Panchayat Union. What international organizations is India a member of, indicating its status as a large country with a fast-growing economy? A. G7 European Union and African Union. B. NAFTA, OPEC, and Mercosur. C. G20 East Asia Summit and BRICS Coalition. D. NATO, WTO, and ASEAN. The correct answer is C. G20 East Asia Summit and BRICS Coalition. What are some of the rights enshrined by the Indian Constitution? A. Power and authority. B. Wealth and privilege. C. Property ownership only. D. Freedom, equality, and justice. The correct answer is D. Freedom, equality, and justice. When was the right to education asserted in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights? A. More than 40 years ago. B. Less than 10 years ago. C. More than 100 years ago. D. Less than 20 years ago. The correct answer is A. More than 40 years ago. Who carries out the administration of a state once President's rule is imposed? A. The Prime Minister. B. The Governor. C. The State Legislature. D. The Chief Minister. The correct answer is B. The Governor. Which countries are included in the BBIN initiative? A. Bhutan, Bangladesh, India, Myanmar. B. India, Nepal, Bhutan, China. C. Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Sri Lanka. D. Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Nepal. The correct answer is D. Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Nepal. Besides heavy traffic, what else does an increase of vehicles on the road cause? A. More pollution. B. Fewer accidents. C. Reduced travel costs. D. Improved road conditions. The correct answer is A. More pollution. To install the application, a user should go to which platform? A. A video sharing website. B. An online encyclopedia. C. A social media network. D. Play Store. The correct answer is D. Play Store. How old must a person be to contest an election to the Legislative Assembly? A. 18 years old. B. 30 years old. C. 25 years old. D. 21 years old. The correct answer is C. 25 years old. What is given the highest priority by India in its foreign policy? A. Global organizations. B. Economic blocs. C. Her neighbors. D. Distant allies. The correct answer is C. Her neighbors. Who is credited with introducing local self-government in India? A. Lord Ripon. B. Lord Dalhousie. C. Lord William Bentinck. D. Lord Curzon. The correct answer is A. Lord Ripon. What is the general opinion of the public on a particular issue called? A. Personal viewpoint. B. Public opinion. C. Private perception. D. Individual understanding. The correct answer is B. Public opinion. What are structures designed to fulfill the needs of people called? A. Government bodies. B. Rural bodies. C. Local bodies. D. Urban bodies. The correct answer is C. Local bodies. Which rule or regulation is associated with Section 190 regarding vehicle fitness leading to accidents? A. Rules of Road Regulations 1989. B. Vehicle Maintenance Standards 1995. C. The Central Motor Vehicle Rules 1989. D. The Motor Vehicle Act 1968. The correct answer is C. The Central Motor Vehicle Rules 1989. What concept allows individuals to travel in any compartment without discrimination, as mentioned in the text regarding Gandhi? A. Human rights. B. Social status. C. Economic freedom. D. Political privilege. The correct answer is A. Human rights. What type of organizations supported the widening of the consumer definition? A. Financial institutions and banks. B. Government agencies and corporations. C. Retail associations and trade unions. D. Consumer organizations and NGOs. The correct answer is D. Consumer organizations and NGOs. Which type of local body is the town panchayat? A. Urban. B. Village. C. Rural. D. District. The correct answer is A. Urban. How did you score?